Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll see the hands-on examples for Substring Index. Let's get started. I have logged into MySQL. Within that, I am going to use a database named University. There you go. And I'm going to create a table named employees1 as a part of this database. In the database university, I created a table named employees1, which has 3 columns: ID, name, website. Now, let me insert some data into the table. I'm inserting data, right? Let us look at the data inside this particular table. Select star from employees. There you go. We have 3 columns, and within that ID is one of the column, name and website. This is one of the important columns. So what exactly the substring index? Substring index comes into picture whenever you want to extract a part of this URL by specifying a delimiter and how much of string you need considering the delimiter. Let us see how it works. Now, what am I trying to do here? I am trying to extract the string from this string. So that can be done by substring index function. Substring index function takes 3 arguments. One is the string or the column name. The second one is the delimiter. And the third one is how many times you want this delimiter to be repeated. That is the third argument. Once we provide these 3 things, what will be the answer? Since we are mentioning delimiter as a dot, it consider the dot in this string, and we are mentioning 2, so 2 is up to here, right? So it will extract this part and gives it back to us. When you mention the positive number as a part of your argument, it counts the delimiters from left to right, starting to the end of the string. But if you have a requirement where you want to count the delimiter from right to left, from ending of the string to the starting of the string, in that case, you can specify the negative number. This will count from here to here, and it will extract only gmail.com. Right? This is how it works. What if I want to use this as a part of our table? What is the table? We have a table as the employees one. We have already seen this, right? Employees one. So if I want to extract a only part of this string based on my requirement, where I'll specify the delimiter and the number of delimiters, then instead of passing on the string, you pass on the name of the column. Here, if you see, I'm saying select website substring index, and this is the name of the column. This is the delimiter. I want up to 2 delimiters wherever it happens to be. Extract the string up to that point. So substring index from employee 1, it will give me the result like this. This is the original column. This is the extracted substring extracted column, where we are seeing from this string it has extracted this because we are mentioning a dot and 2. Up to 2 delimiters extract the string. It has extracted the string for all the values in that column. Now we can also do this with the negative number. Okay, whenever we do this with the negative number, you know what happens. Instead of counting from left to right, it will count from right to left. So from right to left, it happens to be here. It will extract only google.com, flipkart.com, amazon.com, agio.com. So that is how it works. Sometimes you may end up giving a value here like 5, which is more than the number of delimiters. In that case, what happens is it will give the whole string, because if you look at this here, we have two delimiters, but you are specifying as a 5. So then what it thinks, oh, okay, this guy wants the whole string. If you execute this, please, there is no difference from the original column and the extracted column because you have specified the number of delimiters as 5. So please keep that in mind. If you specify the number of delimiters more than available in the original string, then it will extract the whole string for you. There may be chance that you end up giving a 0 number of delimiters. Then what happens? It will not fetch anything. Right? So if you see here, this is the original column. You are saying 0. 0 means it reads, oh, I don't want anything. In that case, it will not fetch anything for you. Awesome, isn't it? This is one of the important function whenever you have to deal with the URLs, IPs, and multiple strings where delimiters are there. This particular function comes very handy. Please remember and practice. Thank you.